Today we wanted to give you an overview of a commercial RO system. This is our basic commercial RO system. This is a 8,000 gallon per day unit. This features all of your gauges here on the front that measures your water output, measures your wastewater. They're fully adjustable, so you can adjust the wastewater to product water ratio. Has concentrate recirculate if you want to recirculate your concentrate to get even more purification from your water and less wastewater. Has gauges on here that shows your pump pressures, your wastewater pressures, good water pressures, and filter in and out pressures, which give you an idea of when you need to change your pre-filter. The pre-filter is just a basic sediment filter on the unit that just keeps anything large from getting in there to damage the membranes in the pump. If you have other problems with your water, you definitely want to use some other kind of pre-filters, whether it's iron filters, water softeners, something to correct the pH, things like that. This system has a motor in the back that operates the pump. It's a high pressure system that runs at around 200 psi. So it's all high pressure fittings. You have membranes. This unit uses 4 membranes. Depending on the size you get, it may only have 1 membrane, 2, or 4. Each of these membranes is a 2,000 gallon per day membrane. And the pump circulates the water through the membranes, purifies the water. The purified water goes into a storage container. The wastewater goes to the drain. All right. The first thing you're going to hook up on the system is your feed water. This is your water coming from your water softener or your water source, whatever, and it's going to hook up here. There's a plug in here that you'll just remove, and then you can connect with whatever size plumbing, whatever type of plumbing you want to use to run your water line into the system. Your other 2 connections on this system are on the inside here. This weird looking T fitting here has a stem adapter on here you can use a quick connect fitting for. This is your product water. So this is the good water that the RO system is making, and that's going to run to your storage tank, whether you're using an open storage tank or a pressure type tank. If you're using an open storage tank, you do not have to use this T. You can remove it from the stem and connect directly to the stem here. But either way, if you're running an open tank, you can hook it up either way. And right next to it, behind some of this other wires and tubing here is your drain line. You'll take this plug out of here, and it has a quick connect fitting. Then you can use whatever plumbing you want to run from that quick connect fitting in here to a drain, to a standpipe or something where you're going to run the wastewater from the RO system. Easiest thing I found is PEX tubing. You can use shark bite type fitting, quick connect fittings, and PEX tubing makes routing your water lines to and from the system really simple.